Hi, this is Kenix Lars. We're going to see the term Meta Tool Precise Unity Editor extension that allows level designers to measure distance and areas directly in the scene view through simple point and click interactions. In the Main Tool tab, you can quickly customize the experience. Choose between distance mode for polylines or parameter mode, with close parameter enabled, to form close shapes and calculate areas. Adjust visuals such as line color, thickness, style, sphere markers at points, or enable a heat map that color segments by lengths. For accuracy, turn on angle snapping to align points to nearby mesh vertices, fine-tuning the snap threshold as needed. Single object mode lets you restrict measurements to a specific game object and its children, ideal for focused work on individual assets. To begin measuring, toggle Activate Measurement On. In the scene view, left-click on Collider to place points. The last point follows your cursor smoothly for an adjustment. Press Escape to complete this chain while preserving the points. Results appear calmly: total distance in meter, areas in square meter, for close parameter with 3 or more points, and a list of exact point positions. Manage points effortlessly with clear all points or undo last point. Measurements persist reliably across the editor session, supported by a hidden gizmo instance. The tool relies on physics recast, so intro colliders are present on the layer aligned. It functions smoothly in both edit and play modes, a quiet companion for precise level design.